Woozonhealthcare Company Limited was established in 2020 with a registered capital of 200 million yuan. It is located in Shantou National Nonwoven Fabric Industrial Park. Woozon consists of 5 subsidiaries: Hubei Min'er Health and Safety Appliances Company Limited, Shantou Zhongtai Protective Products Company Limited, Hubei Wanfu Protective Products Company Limited, Shantou Hank Protective Products Company Limited, and Shantou Lingyang Plastic Company Limited. With over 1,000 skilled employees, producing over 10,000 tons of nonwoven fabrics and 300 million medical and PPE products annually. Woozon has 7 departments: Manufacturing Center, R&D Center, Sales Center, Supply Chain Management Center, Financial Audit Center, Administration and Human Resources Center, and Business, Legal, and Investment Center. Our company has obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 Quality Management System certifications, CE and FDA registrations, as well as domestic medical device, production license, and registrations. We mainly produce PP, SMS, and SMMS nonwoven fabric, which are widely used in 3 industries: medical consumables, industrial market, and hygiene materials. For medical consumables, we provide SMMS nonwoven fabric with excellent barrier properties for the medical market. In addition, we offer post-treatments such as alcohol and blood repellency, as well as antibacterial laminated composites to meet the market demands for performance, protection, comfort, and competitiveness. Industrial market, we have a wide range of color selections for protective and industrial applications. Other post-processing methods include anti-static, flame-retardant, antimicrobial, and anti-aging treatments. For hygiene materials, we have hydrophilic, water-repellent, Suffer-Soft, and Silky-Soft nonwoven fabrics. We have equipped with 100,000 grade cleanroom, which is compliant with the requirement of good manufacturing practice, meets GMP standards, equipped with dedicated physical and chemical laboratories, and EO sterilization equipment. Our company produces and delivers with high-quality European standard, American standard, Class 1 and Class 2 disposable medical protective products. Just one-stop supply platform of nonwoven raw material production, process research and development, product processing, and self-export as a whole. We will adhere to the development concept of become an industry benchmark and be a respected enterprise. We will, as always, provide first-class products, professional technology, business consultation, pre-sale, in-service, and after-sales service for new and old customers at home and abroad. Seek cooperation in a broader field and at a richer level to achieve mutual benefit and common development.